updates from the parking industry. Miami-based parking technology startup ParkJockey has received a huge investment from Japan's SoftBank group. Operating in Miami, Chicago, New York, San Francisco and all major cities in the United Kingdom, ParkJockey offers parking revenue and access control technology designed to optimise parking operations. It is thought that the investment will help finance ParkJockey's planned acquisition of its two biggest rivals, parking lot operators InPark and Lanier. At Cardiff Airport, a new suite of parking technology solutions from Holiday Extras is creating operational efficiencies, helping to grow commercial bookings and enhancing the customer experience. Cardiff Airport took the decision to implement Holiday Extras solutions across its various parking products following a successful launch of the new meet and greet parking service, which uses Holiday Extras Park It technology. November marked the beginning of an exciting new cooperation between evopark and sunhill Technologies, which is set to accelerate the digitisation of parking in Germany. Part of the cooperation will see the evopark network become open to users of the TraviPay app, making 72 car parks across 33 cities accessible to TraviPay users. CityLift has begun its first installation in Portland, Oregon, helping to make a mixed-use, residential and retail project possible. The installation of a 3-level semi-automatic puzzle system provides 22 spaces and eliminated the need to excavate, helping to preserve the ground floor commercial units. A new partnership between Survision and P+ Smart Parking has led to innovative parking solutions in the Dominican Republic and Uruguay. Survision cameras have been installed in P+ smart parking facilities to automise vehicle identification, helping to improve the customer experience and invoicing process. As 2018 comes to a close, we are busy planning our events for next year. In June, we will be hosting our first ever venue parking network event, bringing together venue managers and parking industry professionals to create productive relationships and generate innovative solutions for this complex parking niche. And in October and November, we will be hosting our established airport parking network event and shopping centre parking network event. Are you a Parking Network business member looking to exhibit at one of our events? Well, early bird registrations are now open and running until the 1st of January. Visit parkingevent.com for more information. That's it for this week. Follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date with the latest developments in the parking industry. I'm Claire Stiles. See you next time.